I am so excited for you. Share below and comment, where are you going and what cruise line are you taking? Today is part 1 of 2 of my formal night elegant gown outfit ideas. I've got 10 gorgeously affordable gowns for you today and 10 more on my upcoming video this next Friday, May 5th. Be sure to like and subscribe to my channel and don't miss a beat. Even better, I am giving you styling suggestions to complete your look head to toe. I will never leave you thinking, yeah, but what do I wear it with? Ladies, we are an interactive, no judgy eyes community of women who just love to share and have fun in a bubble of support and encouragement. I encourage you to connect not only with me, but with each other in the comments section. Share tips, answer a question if you have input on it. And when someone shares something that they're excited about or an accomplishment, give them an atta girl. I want you to always leave our time together with a smile on your face and a bounce in your step. That is what it's all about. Formal night on your cruise. Most all cruise lines have at least 1 or 2 formal nights. They may also be called gala night, elegant night, or dress to impress night. This is where guests dress to the nines and enjoy fine dining in the main dining room, maybe pictures with the captain. It is generally suits, ties, or tuxedos for gentlemen, cocktail or formal gowns for the ladies. For our purposes, we are talking solely evening gowns because let's be honest, cocktail dressing for formal night is basically doing the bare minimum, and that's not how we roll around here. We like to be a little all extra about things, and that's what we're doing. As always, the links for everything that you're going to see today, dresses and accessories, are in the description box below. All right, let's do this. First up, this gorgeous BCBG pleated satin evening gown in green. On sale, you guys, for $226. I always try and find you dresses that are usually a lot more expensive, but they're on sale because they usually tend to be a little bit higher quality and have a little more fashion forward style. This is a smooth, luxurious satin, a flowing handkerchief skirt. It's got a plunging V-neck, square back, wide straps, and a concealed back zipper closure. I love this flattering dress for the wide waistband which defines your waist, the pleated skirt which camouflages any tummy issues if you have them. You can also wear a bra with this, which I really like for a lot of us ladies. Certainly the bra is going to have to be a special bra that plunges deeper in the back, but it is completely bra friendly. For accessories, I tend to prefer more metallic tones, whichever looks best on your skin tone, whether you're silver, gold, rose gold, any kind of a metallic looks beautiful, and a coordinating clutch. Never necessary to have your bag and shoe match. That's a little outdated, but they do have to coordinate, and I'm showing you a few options here. Love it in this beautiful sea green color. It's a nod to the nautical without being kitschy. This Chartreuse beaded belt fit and flare. How beautiful is this? Halter neck to show off your gorgeous bronzy sun-kissed shoulders. I know you're gonna have them. Pleated detailing, and I love this silver sequin belt to cinch in your waist and just give it a little definition. After that, it falls into a breezy flowing silhouette of pleats. This also comes in black. Choose the color that resonates with you the most. You can't go wrong either way. This MAC Double, love, love, love this, and I wish I could wear it. Strapless flare feather hem gown. This is the most expensive of the bunch, you guys. This one is $798, but I liked it so much, I wanted to include it for you. Light, floaty chiffon, fully lined through the body. It's strapless, high-low feather hemline, which I love, and a concealed back zipper. This is going to look much better on my smaller busted ladies who are taller. If you're short like me, this probably isn't the dress for us. The dress is definitely going to be too long on us, as you can tell. And in order to hem it, it's almost going to be cost prohibitive. So I think this is going to be better on the taller ladies. It came in 3 different colors, this beautiful fuchsia, the aqua blue, and the black. There is no right or wrong color. Get the one that resonates with you the most and that you know looks best on your own skin tone. And if you're a lady that is a little more fashion forward and you definitely like to make an entrance, this is a dress that you should consider. Olay! Love this ruffle maxi dress. It comes in red, blue, or black. I personally love the red because it just feels tropical and warm and sexy. This dress transforms perfectly from a formal dinner into hitting the dance floor. Voluminous ruffles at the skirt, a thigh-high slit that's still classy sexy to show your tanned legs. This is a fitted, curve-enhancing dress with a touch of spandex to give a little bit of, well, give. It's got an exposed back zipper closure, a jewel neckline. It's sleeveless, lined, and comes in sizes 2 to 12. Okay, y'all, I want to do 2 quick shout outs. I'd like to give a shout out to my girl, Miss Mystic Celine, and my girl, brand new to the channel, Miss Beth Green. Ladies, thank you for being a part of the community, and please give them a nice warm welcome. And if you would like a shout out, please be sure to subscribe to my channel, comment below. Brand new videos every Tuesday and Friday on all things style, wellness, beauty, and travel, and we would love to have you as a part of our community. Sunset orange pleated halter gown, vibrant orange hue. This is like a glowing sunset. A wide band waist for a definition before flowing into a flattering pleated skirt. It'll float over the tummy for a more forgiving silhouette. It has a mock neck, sleeveless, lined, and it also comes in this gorgeous, juicy, vibrant green. This hits the trifecta in my opinion. The colors are beautiful, gorgeous, and vibrant. It's a flattering cut with the halter and the pleats and the banded waist. And to top it off, it is comfortable. You're gonna have plenty of room to move, groove, enjoy your dinner, and look stunning and amazing all in one fell swoop. Off-shoulder MIDI dress in the color sand because, you know, it's a warm weather cruise. Pleated satin design with off-the-shoulder puff sleeves add a little extra dramatic element to the dress without making it overwhelming. Satin also, ladies, is wrinkle resistant, and this, coupled with the fact that it's a pleated design, means it's perfect for traveling. It is not going to show wrinkles, and it will pack well. In addition to that, the pleats also allow for easy walking and sitting. Strapless, floral, usually $850, on sale for $255 in limited sizes, comes in sizes 0 to 14. This is a flared silhouette, a strapless gown in a floral printed mikado. The draped 3-dimensional detailing at the waist and the seaming defines the waist before floating nicely away from the body. It has an open back and a concealed back zipper closure. Again, many of the choices that I have for you are not only elegant and gorgeous, they're also meant to be comfortable. I am over wearing things that are binding and uncomfortable just because I think they look good. There are too many choices out there. We can have it all. Gorgeous, elegant, beautiful, and comfortable. That's what we're going for. Okay, let's quickly define what formal night attire is not. And I say this because I've seen this on a number of women, and I'm secretly thinking, oh gosh, that's probably not really formal attire. Even though this gorgeous maxi sundress is super pretty and really beautiful, it is not for formal night, and it is not even a cocktail dress. Why? Okay, the fabric and the floral pattern make it too casual. I would call this more resort chic. This is something that you might wear for a casual dinner on the ship or in port. Now, if you take the same silhouette, swap the fabric for a gorgeous silk in a rich, saturated, solid color, swap out the earring, bag, and shoes to something with a little more sparkle, perfect formal attire. My girl, Miss Amy Brogue, is going on a Seabourn cruise, on the Seabourn cruise line, which, as she undoubtedly knows, right, Amy? More than half the men will usually be seen in tuxedos. Most every woman is going to be dressed to the nines in either a cocktail dress or a long gown, and I am betting more often in a long gown. This violet pleated maxi dress with a jewel neck and waist. I love this one. Comes in sizes 2 through 22. Notice the gorgeous embellished detailing at both the neck and the waist for just an extra glam chic. Fully pleated from the bodice down into a flowing skirt, this style is so flattering for most anybody. Style it with gunmetal accessories and turn heads. You will have people going, wow, she looks gorgeous. This evergreen silk faux wrap maxi, $261, comes in sizes 0 through 18. This is a beautiful sleeveless satin gown, plunging v-neck, and a plunging back for a little extra classy sexiness. Lined, softly gathered faux wrap, which is the most universally flattering silhouette for any woman. It's a simple yet dramatic style that definitely is going to command attention. 3 beautiful colors, sugar, deep green, and a rich navy. Can't go wrong with any of them. They're absolutely gorgeous. Ooh, next, another good sale item, you guys. This is an exclusive design to Net-a-Porter with Marchesa Noti. This is their Cape Orange dress. It is normally $900. This is on sale for $447, almost 50% off. Comes in sizes 0 through 16. It's a rich, striking orangey red, making it perfect for events. This is made from a fluid, beautiful crepe for comfortable, stylish flowiness, a bow at one shoulder, and a flutter leathery sleeve at the other. This is designed to be fitted at the bust and the waist and then slightly loose through the hip. It is a mid-weight, slightly stretchy fabric. The color is gorgeous and just perfect for spring, summer. Okay, y'all, those were my first 10 formal night evening gown recommendations. Please comment below. Tell me which dresses you like the most. Tell me what you would like to see more of. I want to bring you things that you love. Be sure to come back this Friday, May 5th. I will have the final 10 for you. A little hint, we're doing sparkly, shimmery, and sequiny. So if you like that kind of stuff, come on back. And until a couple days from now, happy sailing. See you soon, y'all.